This screencast will provide an explanation of the power law, the natural learning curve, and how it helps us to better understand student mastery. It is important to understand the philosophy behind mastery-based learning. It is based upon the research around the natural learning curve. As with all things, when someone is introduced to something new, like learning to play the guitar, they will be at a beginning level. However, as instruction and practice is provided and learning occurs, they will improve their skills towards mastery. As students demonstrate their understanding of the concepts within the standard, the more accurate our understanding of student learning becomes. This reinforces the understanding that it will be common for students to be at a beginning or progressing level at the outset of the year, with the goal of being proficient by the end of the year. In Colonial, we have adopted the Power Law to help determine and predict student success. Power Law is a system that is based on the understanding of the natural learning curve. It is a mathematical calculation that factors in both scores on assessments and the date in which the assessment is given. This system does not penalize for students for the time they spent learning a new concept. It allows students to demonstrate mastery without penalty for practice and allows for growth. Here is an example of 4 students' grades. You can see that each student has a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, but in different orders. In a traditional grading system, all of the students would be averaged to a 2.5, which would not truly represent the student's mastery of the concepts. Here is what the Power Law results would look like for these 4 students. As you can see, student 1 demonstrated consistent improvement over time and has a higher Power Law score, which is a better indicator of the mastery of a concept. Additional scores help teachers to gain a more accurate picture of the student's learning. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about the Power Law and the natural learning curve. If you have any questions, please contact Dr. Nick Baker.